Time to check the forecast, everybody. The forecast has gone to plan today. We anticipated mostly cloudy skies. Couldn't rule out that there would be a few intervals of sun working in, and few would be the word to describe it because we haven't seen a whole lot in Grand Rapids. But between, I'd say, 1 and 2 o'clock, we did get a spell of some sun that has helped to boost our temperature to 35 degrees. And perhaps we'll even check in with an official maximum reading slightly higher than that in GR by day's end. We'll wait and see. Bottom line is several degrees higher than yesterday, but it's cool. I mean, it's chilly outdoors, but it's supposed to be. We're at December 7th now. The average high 37 degrees for this time of year. The average low at 26, and our low this past morning was 27, so pretty close to where we should be for this time of year. Records at 62 and -4. That was the overnight low in 1972. You don't have to worry about any of that. I don't see it anytime soon. Really on the maps going out the next week to 2, perhaps 3 weeks. And that'll bring us pretty close to the month of January at that point in time. Cool lobe of air. Yes, the jet stream has been coming southward out of Canada, but that jet stream situated just out to our west. Once you get into the central plains, look at those temperatures, 50s and 60s. And those green colors are going to be expanding in coverage and starting to work off to the east in our direction, such that by Wednesday and Thursday, folks, I think a really good shot to hit 50 degrees on Thursday. And it's conceivable we could do it again on Friday. The real cold air is off into northern Canada, and it's just not that cold even when you get into this real cold air. Single digits for northern Canada this time of year, the coldest of the air on the other side of the pole. So, when you're this mild in central and southern Canada, we're not going to be drawing down anything outrageous here anytime soon. 35 degrees is what we've got on the thermometer, and can expect these temperatures to just slowly meander downward due to all the clouds this evening and overnight. So we'll bottom out right around maybe 29 degrees to start off on what will be Tuesday. I think mainly cloudy again for tomorrow, but beautiful weather starting to break out for Wednesday and Thursday. What does that mean? Well, it means mostly sunny skies, and then clouds will be increasing on Friday. Later in the day into the evening, some rain showers develop. That system will pass by. Some cooler air will eventually wrap in, so temps will be falling off through the day on Saturday, and we're going to change rain showers over to snow showers. And there are some lines of thinking here that there could be a light accumulation at some point Saturday into Sunday. Still so far out that things can change, so don't want to get into specifics with regards to that. But understand that over the next 7 days, if there is going to be a whitening of the ground, look out for later Saturday into Sunday. The overall look, though, I mean, this is just in from the Climate Prediction Center, and it makes sense based on the maps I've been checking out. The deeper the oranges and reds on that map for week 2, the greater the departures from average. So we're looking at pretty mild times ahead. Now, granted, this season, we're into the cool season, so when I say mild, it's not terribly warm, but don't see any real Arctic coming down over the next couple of weeks. Future track model, this is the European model. It does pick up on some clouds here today, which of course we've had overnight tonight into tomorrow. But once we get into Wednesday, as I mentioned, those green colors and high pressure out through the central plains, those are going to be working towards us. So high pressure equals sunshine Wednesday, Thursday. Eventually, that high pressure gets beaten down by a new area of low pressure approaching later Friday into Saturday. That'll take a track to our west. I mentioned that yesterday. That's a warm track, but eventually some cooler air does wrap in as the moisture exits. So we'll have a transition time to some snow showers there later Saturday into Sunday. There can be some light accumulations. We'll keep tabs on that. 7-day forecast. Here we go. Doug, I was talking about a warm-up. It's coming in quickly. Wednesday, Thursday, mid to upper 40s to around 50 degrees. We'll do it one more time on Friday. Those rain showers, though, develop late day into the overnight into Saturday. Change over to snow showers. I'll talk more about that. Looks a little bit cooler early next week, but probably getting milder thereafter. More in just a bit.
All right, thank you for that, Anthony. Up next, a pretty easy